So if you are also looking forward to this dead custom ROM, yes, this is a dead custom ROM. It's no more updated. No, it's not right. This is updated. This is even updated with the latest security patch. It is also updated to Android 15 and everything. But if you are wondering that we do not have any update for this custom ROM, this is Superior Extended. I've installed on my device Android 14, a very old update. You can say almost 1 year from now on while making this video. But I'm still saying that it's updated with Android 15 because this project was renamed to Project Infinity X, which I made video already just recently on the latest Android 15. And yes, in case you are also wondering, or in case you don't know, Superior Extended Custom ROM was renamed to Project Infinity X. That is why if you're using Superior Extended, or if you're wondering about Superior Extended, and if you're also thinking that the custom ROM is dead, we do not have any more updates, in some sort of things, yes, you are right, but in most of the scenarios, as this project is renamed to Project Infinity X, so in simple words, this project is not dead. We have Superior Extended, the previous version, which is now Project Infinity X. The previously it was Superior Extended. As expectedly, it was having a lot of customizations for you, a lot of features actually in the terms of theming and a lot more extra things. Let's find out some of the things. For example, if you take a look at the miscellaneous options, you will find settings style customizations, header style customizations, and almost these similar options are also present with Android 15, and that's a very useful thing. We also have some of the options like ignore Windows secure flags, unlock higher FPS in games, and unlimited photo storage, apps downgrade, and some of the other tweaks which you can also get in Android 15. So that's a very good thing. The options which are present with Android 14 are also coming to Android 15. Talking about notification options, we have the option for heads up less annoying notifications, which is a very useful thing. And also we have the option for island notification. Not exactly sure how many of you use this, but it's available. Power menu also has a similar kind of options, and you can see the opacity options. And in case you're wondering about this power menu, yes, it is also present with Android 15. Android 15, if you have ever used Project Infinity, even some of the previous versions based on Android 14, the power menu is almost same. So this is a similar power menu, and from this power menu, I guess you got the idea. This is Project Infinity X previously, which was Superior Extended, and that's the version I'm using right now. Custom clock styles, there are a lot of options available. Similar kind of options present with the Project Infinity X latest version based on Android 15. In case Project Infinity X is not available for you and you have some of the old versions available of Superior Extended, you can still check it out on your device because it's almost similar to Project Infinity X because the project is same. So yes, it was expected. Some of these options are so good. Let's talk about some of my favorite features, some of my favorite amazing things in this one. For example, in the terms of theming and customizations, monet customizations, some of the UI styles, so you can apply inbuilt themes on a device in case you want to, and some of the fonts customizations. I'm using Cocon fonts, but you have a lot of more options available. Lock screen clock fonts, it's up to you if you're using a default lock screen clock. And then some of the similar kind of things like icon pack customizations and signal icon customizations and etc. One thing, let me show you switch styles. In case you just noticed, those switches are inspired from iOS, and some of the more options, material and so on, are also present. So you can customize the switches. You can do so, or these kind of things in some other custom ROMs in case you do not have that available. How you can do that? You just have to install a module named Iconify and you can try out all those things. Some of the options and tweaks related to quick settings panel, for example, quick setting transparency, and a lot more extra things are not bad, in other words. So definitely you can try it out. Quick setting tiles layout, because it brings you that Oxygen OS style quick settings panel. Yes, things are looking so good, and it was expected that it should work fine for you. And even I'm using this old version, which is Superior Extended, the previous version of Project Infinity X. The response was actually not bad. So definitely, if you want to try out this custom ROM, you can check out some old versions. But in case your device already supports the Project Infinity X latest version, then you don't need to try it out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.